Good evening from Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. We just got off the plane to get on another plane from Fort Worth to Phoenix. Let's get this trip report started. I'm unfortunately sitting in the middle seat, so I'm gonna see if I can be able to change that at all. So hopefully we're able to do that. So anyways, let's head to our gate. Rest in peace to me. I have to go in a middle seat. But anyways, let's go board this Airbus A321 bound for Phoenix. Let's go. New one is... Unfortunately, this landing clip is not going to be any good at all, and that is because my storage decided to become extremely full at the very time that we were about to touch down, which closed my entire video out completely. So this was us on final approach as a clip. So, I mean, you might as well just enjoy that instead, but unfortunately we could not get the touchdown. But overall, the touchdown was pretty smooth and all right, if you guys were curious. But anyways, let's continue towards the end of this trip report video, everyone. Hey everyone, it is me. Unfortunately, there was no proper outro to that video. Unfortunately, I was exhausted. I just wanted to get home after the very interesting experiences on American Airlines. Would I fly them again? Not ideally, but I would if I have to, if it's the only option. But overall, that will conclude this trip reports video. Please stay tuned for more videos coming out, as we have the last video of EAA AirVenture that just came out at the time of recording this. The previous trip report on the 737, that was the worst experience I've ever had on an airline in my entire life so far. And coming soon, the souvenirs I got from AirVenture as well. So give a whole overview of that. But overall, that'll conclude today's video. Please make sure you give me a follow if you haven't already, as I am very close to 2,000 followers, and your support will help me very much. And we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.